back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is as easy as repeating back what you hear in audio clips, and they have a flexible schedule, and they do pay very well. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the well-known transcription company 3Play Media. They always are hiring transcriptionists, but occasionally they hire what they call is voice writers, and they currently are accepting applications for voice writers. Now, voice writing is trying to take live events like Zoom meetings, WebExes, things like that, and making them more accessible for all. And so 3Play Media is a transcription company, and normally transcription is listening to audio and typing what you hear. In voice writing, it's a little bit different. You're listening and repeating back what you hear. They do have a whole video on their website that completely explains it. I encourage you to watch the video, but they are going to provide you software. So what they're basically doing is looking for somebody to produce those real-time captions for those live events by listening to them and then re-speaking into their free web-based simple-to-use software program what you hear. You're going to create those high-quality captions in real time to be delivered back to the live streamed event. That way, if you have people on the live event that are hearing impaired or something like that, they can read those captions coming in if they can't hear or whatever. Now, this does allow you to have flexibility in your schedule. You get to choose the jobs that you want to do that fit your schedule. Now, as far as what you need, you're going to have your own computer and headset. You'll have to have great communication skills and clear speaking skills. Some of the events can run up to 90 minutes, so you have to be comfortable sitting at a computer in one spot, and you have to be able to multitask between listening, speaking, and typing. They will require you to pass a background check before starting. Now, one thing to note about voice writers, they're paid on average 50 cents per captioned minute, plus 20 minutes of prep and check-in time prior to an event. If the event runs longer than anticipated, you'll receive 55 cents per additional captioned minute. So if you're doing an hour live thing, 60 minutes is 50 cents a minute. It's going to be $30, and then you're paid for that additional 20-minute prep time. So that's an additional $10 of prep time for up to $40 an hour. So that's kind of what you can make with this job. Now, again, the faster you work and the faster the event is, or the shorter the event is, it all is dependent on how much you'll make for an actual event. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.